Pants all get wet up. Me say, yeah man, the pants wet up already. Come myself, Father God, I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this. I'm ready. Me not ask you. I'm ready. Me not ask you. Me ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your boy KingWill here with you today. And if it is that you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell to get updated as to when I upload here on YouTube on my second channel, KingWill Squad. Now, as you can see from the title of this video, okay, the title of this video tells you that this is my first time. Yes, my first time. So you have to stay tuned to hear what it's all about, what it entails, and how did it feel. Okay. Now, guys, I'm gonna be easing up off the story times because I'm young and I still have my life to live. But I still have a lot of stories and a lot of experiences because I've been through so much in my 19 years. I can say 19 because my birthday just came. I gotta tell ya. I'm even tell you. Anyways, right through. Anyways, so I can say 19 years now. So I have a lot of stories, but I don't want to tell all of my stories before the year done. We cannot do my story them all right, run through my story them like this. Nah, so I'm gonna have very few stories left to tell, and I hope you guys do enjoy this story time. And remember to like that something here, comment down below, and share the video. Yeah. So, anyways, my first time. Now, at the time it was summertime, and I was in Cayman. I went away to look for my mommy for the summer, and I was on the beach, 7 Miles Beach in Cayman. And I remember clearly that I was super excited, I was super hyped. My cousin, he was working on the beach, so I was just there, just enjoying the amenities that the beach offers, and the fact that his company, I could have access to what they provide, the service that they provide. You understand? So, anyways, I remember clearly one of the persons from the management of the company, he works on the beach. So, anyways, he, at the time, I borrowed their life jacket. I was gone out into the water, I gone snorkeling, I gone we out, gone pretend like me a swim, gone out. If you know me well, you know say I earth cannot swim. We cannot do that something there. We can't swim. You understand? We can't swim. Can't do it. Can't swim. Anyways, so at the time now, it's like from I go out in the water and I went snorkeling with the life jacket, I felt fearless. I feel fearless. Like I feel like I can take on and climb a mountain and go on and myself come and say, yeah man, Father God, I made this. You understand? Anyways, so this guy, let's give him a name. Let's call him Rodney. Now Rodney, he was gonna go out in the water on a jet ski. Now Rodney said to me, he said, do you wanna come with me on the jet ski? And I said, sure, why not? So of course, me by enough self now. Remember, Rodney is a pro at this, you know. Rodney is a prophet. Rodney can swim. Rodney doing a life jacket. Him can swim. So I buckle up, I strap up, I say, alright, I'm going in the water now. I'm ready. Anyways, I go with him now. My mount up on the jet ski. It was so hard to get on the jet ski from in the water because I had to go out in the deep to get on the jet ski. It was near to the shore, but it was still out in the water, if you get what I'm saying. Anyways, I mounted the jet ski, went on with Rodney. When Rodney now, I go out, I say, alright, Rodney, I go out smooth and safe because like within the first 20 meters from the shore, 20 meters, I'm bad at math. Within the first couple meters, you have to go like 20, less than 10 miles an hour on the jet ski. So he wasn't going really fast. Anyways, but the panic, me say, yeah man, my pants all get wet up. Me say, yeah man, the pants wet up already. Come myself, Father God, I'm ready for this. I'm ready. Me not ask you, I'm ready. Me not ask you. Me ready. Anyways, I got him, I go. I say, alright. So we come out of the area where we can go 10 miles an hour. Rodney, Jesus. Rodney start to press gas. I say, Father God, I want to sign up for people. Hello, KingWill Squad. Hello, listen to me. Let's see when Rodney comes to zoom on, because I'm holding on to Rodney, right? I was holding him to him like this. I'm like, yeah, I'm here. When my feet, I say, no man, this not right now. Hold on, Rodney, what keep? Rodney said, hold on. Anyways, I held on to him. Rodney was going. He moved from going 10 miles per hour to 40 miles per hour. on water. This is not real. I gotta tell you, this is not real. This is not real. It's not real. It's not real. It's not real. Mr. Father God, what is going on? What are going on here? What's going on? I mean, I understand what right that's so. Rodney I got 40 miles per hour. Rodney maxed it. Rodney done the meter bar or something for the. He done it. He maxed it out. Me say, hold on there. No. People are so me a jump on the water top. So me say, Father God, me a jump. Water splashing in my face. Like water, the salt is going into my eye. Listen. Rodney. Me a ball out, Rodney a laugh. Mr. Rodney, no, if I see my drop off, and he's saying to me now, if I drop off, is I have to swim too. The jet ski, and the jet ski flips with us. We have to, Mr. Flip where? Guys, remember now, I say where we are now? Out is by the ship them there. Where the ships are in the water. The ships. When I look back on land, it's like I'm seeing ants. People are ants. I'm not seeing people, I'm just seeing ants. Ants! Can you imagine that? Ants. Anyways, Rodney, I got 40 minutes, he maxed it up. Mr. Rodney, let me off. Rodney, let me off. I can't do this. This is just too much for me. This is a cut for me. God, send Jonah. Please send Jonah on the way because I can't do this. Father God, I can't do this. Please. Me a ball and I pray and I beg God. Mr. Father God, don't take me yet. Please don't take me yet. Don't take me. I'm not ready for come to you yet, Father God. Wait until me at 80. Please. I beg you. Please. Well on, guys. Rodney decides here it now gonna stop it there, so. And Rodney decides here I'm gonna go 40 miles per hour and do a donut. Jesus. Guys, I feel hold on for dear life. And when me a hold on, Rodney I go so in run down one circle we I go. Run down one circle. And if you know me, I get dizzy easily. Run down one circle. We I go run. I say no man, this is not right. It's coming like a runner. Round and round. Guys, I say let me off. God, I say send Jonah and wait for Jonah there, God, let me off. So he stopped and he was like, man, I'm taking you back in. I say, Rodney, to the shore please. I command you to the shore. Right now with me. Guys, I was so mortified. It was as if though my life has changed. I'm like, God. Now Kosha. Yeah. Well, now like guys, when I look down in the water, first of all, you know you can see sand in the water. Me not see no sand. Me not see like it dark. I mean I say, Father God, no man. Oh just say, no man, it's come like if me drop off one barracuda gonna eat me or something. Guys, it was traumatizing. He brought me back to the shore, right? I was shaking. Brought me back to the shore. When I got back, they said, Semal, do you want to take a jet ski all by yourself? I was like, not today, Satan, not today. The blood of Jesus against you. Him say, disciple him and rebuke you, even though I identify you. Why am I going to jet ski by myself? Can I get the keys, please? Thank you. Anyways, guys, so they asked me if I want to go on by myself now. I said, alright, let me take the jet ski and go by myself. My cousins, they were going out too. My cousin, he was going out as well. So I said, okay, let me go out with them. I went out, and guys, as I was going out, I could remember I felt so afraid to go by myself. It was so bad. Anyways, I decided, so you know what? I'm now chicken out of this. I'm going to tough up and do this. Guys, when I say to you, I've thought wrong. My mic cup. Now go. Mighty. Gotta tell ya. I got to the area where I must go at least. Because you have the area you can go at least 10 miles per hour. That's the maximum you can go. You can't go no more than that. Because that's snorkeling zone. I passed the snorkeling zone into the normal jet ski zone now. When I got there, I remember I was still going like 10 miles per hour. I was at the old man on the road driving so slowly. And I remember my cousin saying, you gotta go faster. You have to go faster, Papa. And I said, okay. Vroom. Vroom. Guys, when I do the vroom, I say the vroom nearly lift me up. I nearly meet God. I nearly see the Savior. I say, when I zoom, I start to go up. I say, no man. No. God! Why am I doing this to myself? Why am I here? Why am I out here? I should not be here. Simali, you should not be here. Why are you here? You knew that you just had a traumatizing experience. Yet you took the keys and came out here again. Semal, why are you here? Why are you here? He said, Papa, if it is that you accelerate too much or too quickly, it will lift up with you and I will fly. Anyways, I went and I was moving so slow, and I said, okay, I went 40, but I went 20 first. When I went 20, it's as if though and guys, I'm lifting up, like I can feel it going up. I'm saying, no man, I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna go off 20. Guys, remember, I'm out where the water is deep. It is deep. I'm not talking about play deep, I'm talking about real deep. Like if I should fall off in the life jacket in the water, it would catch me here. That's how deep it was. Anyways, I remember pressing gas and I was just going, and I remember my cousin, he said something to me, Papa, you sure you can manage this? I said, of course I can, of course. Guys, I could not manage. And I remember I kept on going slow. I kept on not pushing and going with them because they were going really hard. They were going like 40 miles per hour and I could not, because I think they're older than me, they're heavier than me in body, because at the time I was so small in body and small in structure and small in frame. It was almost as if though I was not even on a jet ski. That bad, okay? That bad. And anyways, I remember I just turned the jet ski around. I'm say, you know what? Me I call this a day. This not gonna work. She not go, no. No matter one boy, I'm not gonna come kill off myself. I'm not kill off myself. Yeah, I'm not do it. I'm not ready for me card yet. Nobody but Jesus. Nobody but Him. God blocked it. Yeah, blocked it. I remember I turned around, and it's like when one person rides past, you're not supposed to ride past in that, because that will fit the jet ski. And I'm cutting grass. Going across, moving, and he's like, Papa, go back to the show, because you cannot do this. I'm like, you're so right. I'm not gonna even kid you right now. I cannot do this. Went back to the shore. When I got back to the shore, the man just said to me, we could see you struggling. We could see you. I'm like, you could? Why me? Why you have to see me? You couldn't see somebody else. You couldn't see the barracuda in the water. Why you have to see me? Why you have to see me? And I remember just giving them the key for the jet ski, and I said, you know what? This is not me, okay? I will just stick to snorkeling, because I'm not going to do that again, okay? I'm not going to do that until now. For now, okay? But rest it. You're going to rest it. And my strong suit right now, just keep by myself at that stage in time, you know? But now, of course I would. Heavens, I want to now, okay? So to sum it up, that was my story time on my first time riding a jet ski all by myself. Okay? Guys, so I hope you really do enjoy, and remember to stay safe in this dilemma. Ensure you're staying in. Remember, your health is your wealth, and you alone have control over your health. Guys, I really do hope you enjoyed that story time. I really do hope you had a laugh. And guys, ensure that you subscribe and you're staying tuned on all of my channels. I have 3 channels: KingWill Squad, which is this one, my main channel, which is Semal, and my best friend channel, which is Sutanya and Semal TV. If it is that you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit those subscribe buttons. Follow me on all my social media platforms: Semal_Williamson on Instagram, Semal2 on Twitter, and Semal S Williamson on Facebook. So guys, protect yourselves and stay tuned for my next upload. Guys, until we meet again.